Hi guys, welcome back to another monthly period video. I'm so excited to talk to you guys about today's topic because I feel it's super important. Today's topic is how to handle periods in school. I know it can be super stressful, super scary, but with planning it is going to work out fine and there is nothing to be scared about. The first tip I'm going to tell you guys is to always be prepared. I've been shouting a lot on this channel about getting a period bag. You don't really need to get like a fancy bag or whatever. You can just use your makeup bag. Make sure you have your pads in it, all your essentials, period essentials in it. You have your pad or tampons, anyone you use. Make sure you have wipes in it. Make sure you have change of underwears in it. Make sure you have perfume if you really like to smell good. Make sure you have painkillers, but make sure it is recommended by a doctor, or talk to your parents about it or the school nurse about it, just to make sure you have everything you need in your period essential bag. If you want to know what you should put in your period essential bag, the period emergency bag, I'm going to link a video below about the period emergency kit that I made for you guys, so you know exactly what you need in your period emergency kit. Next tip I'm going to tell you is to make sure you know where all the bathrooms in your school is. Like, know the location of all the bathrooms in your school. If you know the location of the bathrooms in your school, you are going to find it very easy. You are going to find it very accessible and not difficult at all. So if you need to change your pads or your tampons, you already know where to go to. You just go and do whatever you want to do, and that is all. You don't have to start wasting time and asking people where the bathroom is, because you already know where the bathroom is. And don't worry about asking your teacher that like you want to go and change your pads, you just want to go to the bathroom. You don't even need to tell the teacher what to do. You just tell the teacher that you want to go to the bathroom. In Kuna Arewa, you have irresponsible teachers that they want to know everything. Don't feel shy to say you want to go and change your pads. Just say it to the teacher and just go and do your thing and come back. Let's talk about having cramps and mood swings in school. Guys, you know, if you're on your period, it's okay to have cramps. It's okay to have mood swings. So what will help you is to drink a lot of water, breathe in, breathe out, do all the breathing exercises. It is going to help you a lot. You have no idea how this has helped me a lot in school, and I am sure it is going to also help you. No one told me to be doing all those things. Like, I found them out myself, and these are tips that I have used and I'm happy with. So trust me when I say these breathing exercises, they work. You can also do light stretches if you want, and if you have space in your school. If you don't have space, just drink a lot of water and then just breathe. If you're feeling a bit emotional, just know that it is very normal. You can find a quiet place and just sit there, rest until you are ready to go back into people, like until you're ready to go back. You can talk to your school nurse. If you have a friend, you can talk to a friend. Just do whatever is going to make you feel comfortable, because it is perfectly normal. As you're on your period, also don't forget to always have an extra water bottle, maybe some snacks to munch on, because they are really going to help you stay energized and hydrated, which is very important. Most importantly, don't be embarrassed. Having your period is not a taboo. It is very normal. In fact, if you're not having your period, you should go to the doctor. It is very normal, and almost every girl in this world go through it. So just know that you are not alone, and what you are going through is normal. I hope this video helps you in knowing that managing your period in school is completely doable. You can do it. If you have any tips and experiences, feel free to share with us in the comment section. If you like this type of video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with your friends. If you have sisters, all the women, the ladies, the girls in your life, make sure to share this video with them, especially those that are going to school, because I'm sure it is going to be very helpful. Thank you guys, and I'm going to see you next month, inshallah. Bye.